The AI bubble might be about to burst. That's what people in Silicon Valley are whispering. Maybe it will. Maybe it won't. But here's what is real. Last year alone, $650 billion poured into AI, and 1.1 million jobs disappeared at the same time. I've seen cycles like this before. Real estate, crypto, tech booms, and crashes. And today, I sit in rooms where we decide which AI projects get millions and which jobs quietly disappear. And the pattern is always the same. The top 1% position themselves early and win no matter what happens. Everyone else gets caught in the flood. So in this video, I want to share the exact playbook. How to stay ahead, become harder to replace, and future-proof your career before it's too late. You have less time than you think. Imagine standing on a beach. Suddenly, the ocean pulls back. You look down at your feet and think, I'm dry. Everything seems fine. But 1,000 miles away, sensors already show a wall of water racing toward shore at 500 miles an hour. That's how every tsunami begins. And that moment, when the water disappears, that's exactly where we are with AI right now. One of the co-founders of DeepMind said it bluntly. If your job is done 100% on a laptop, you're competing with AI that costs pennies. As this wave hits, it will create two zones. The high ground, where a small group survives and thrives, and the flood zone, where most people will be standing. The question is, which one are you in right now? Are you in the flood zone? Last month, I watched an AI product demo. Beautiful design, lightning-fast responses, cutting-edge technology. So I asked one question. How many customers use this every day? Silence. The answer was, well, we're not ready for prime time yet. Translation? $1 million science project. That's the flood zone. Great demos, 0 customers, 0 cash. So how do you know if your company or your role is at risk? I use a simple framework called RAIL. 4 questions, takes less than a minute. R, revenue. Are real customers paying? If the answer is we're still piloting, that's a red flag. No revenue means no lifeboat. A, acceleration. Can you ship real value in 2 weeks? If you can't, someone else will. If AI doesn't make things faster, you're drifting into the flood zone. I, in market. Is your product in the hands of real users? If it's sitting in a test environment, it's not an asset, it's a hobby. L, learning. Are you learning from real customer behavior? 1 week of real users breaking your product teaches more than 6 months of internal testing. If you answer no to 2 or more of these, you're probably standing in the flood zone. The map to the high ground. So how do you escape? You need a map, one most people never see. The AI world looks chaotic. Chips, models, tools, buzzwords everywhere. Ignore the noise. There are only 3 layers where money is made. Layer 1, infrastructure, chips, cloud, energy, data centers. This is a capital game. Unless you're a giant, you don't win here. Layer 2, frontier models, chatbots and foundation platforms. This layer is consolidating fast. Prices collapse. Features get copied. Open source closes the gap. Starting a Me Too model company today makes no sense. Layer 3, applications and services. This is where value is captured. This is the interface, the solution, the real problem-solving layer. And this is where individuals can still win. Horizontal apps, vertical tools, AI services, implementation, integration, human-in-the-loop work. Some firms charge tens of thousands per month just to help companies use AI correctly. They're not building software. They're building expertise. That is the high ground. Avoid the potholes. The AI apocalypse isn't here yet, but it's forming. Companies are still hiring, slowly. And the companies laying people off first are also the earliest AI adopters. They're cutting non-AI roles to fund AI talent. So if your job exists mainly to maintain the status quo, you are in danger. AI will automate scripted work. Human value remains in judgment. Scripted work gets automated. Strategic thinking survives. 3-step plan. Step 1. Audit your job. What's scripted? What's strategic? Reports, summaries, templates. That's scripted. Design, decisions, relationships. That's strategic. Step 2. Fire yourself from scripted work. Automate it before someone else does. Let AI take execution. Step 3. Reinvest in your human edge. Use that time for deep thinking. Real thinking requires silence, not scrolling, not reacting. That's where insight is born. The 3 R's. Those who reach the high ground share 3 traits. Rigor. Deep mastery, not surface knowledge, real understanding. Relationships. In a world where AI can generate anything, humans must generate trust. Resilience. Every great story is a comeback story. Failure, adaptation, endurance. Titles change, markets change, technology changes, but resilience keeps you in the game. A teacher told me, you think you're a wave, but you're not. You're the water. Waves rise and fall, but the water remains. Let the tsunami come. Waves will crash, jobs will change, industries will reshape. But if you build rigor, relationships, and resilience, you won't just survive. You will thrive. There's still time to find your high ground. If this video helped you, subscribe so others can find it too.